Evaporative cooling pad gutters are easy to install thanks to the newly designed clip profiles. Corrosion-resistant, all parts are made of PVC or stainless steel, and the gutters accommodate the entire water demand of the system. No external water tank is required, and the water distribution of the entire length of the pad is ideal thanks to the newly designed deflectors with integrated hinge system. Newly designed gutters, rodent-proof cover, perfect water circulation, robust centrifugal water pumps available in different sizes and with different voltages. The system is completely self-contained and has a built-in sump to store water for the entire system using a submersible or centrifugal pump. Water is conveyed through the system from the pump station and directed from above to the pad via distribution pipes and water deflectors. The water then flows over the corrugated surface of the pad, whose surface area is maximized to effectively remove heat from the air flowing through it, resulting in some evaporation.